Hopefully you all can see my screen, right? Okay, when a new file comes, hard disk basically represent the file by magnetizing the hard disk. So this is what happened. It changed the magnetic field direction. If it is 1 south north, maybe 0 north south, 1 south north, 0 0 1 0. This is how it store data in your hard disk. Okay, when you delete a file, it will not delete these patterns. It will not reset this pattern. Instead of resetting these patterns, it will delete the file from the file registration table, file allocation table, or the file registration table. ඒක හරියට ඔයගොල්ලෝ register වෙලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ class එකට එන්නේ නැහැ කිව්වොත් registration එක delete කරනවා වගේ. registration එක delete කරාට මේ north south වෙච්ච ඒවා delete වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ file එකක් මැකුවට recycle bin එකට යනවා. ඒකෙනුත් මැකුවට ඇත්තටම මේවා මැකෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේවා වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේවා වෙනස් වෙන්නේ අලුත් file එකක් ආවොත් විතරයි. අලුත් ෆයිල් එකක් ආවොත් මේක තව වෙනස් විදියකට වෙනස් වෙනවා. ඒ අලුත් ෆයිල් එකක් එනකම් පරණ විදියට මේක තියෙනවා. That means even after you delete, it is possible to recover the file. So let's assume you take a photograph. ඔයාලා photograph එකක් ගන්නවා. හරි? ඔයාලට හිතෙනවා මේ photograph එක හරි නෑ කියලා. You erase that photograph. But you know what? If someone want, he or she can recover the photograph that you have taken even after deletion. ඒක කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ හින්දා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමරාස් වලින් හරි මෙමරි කාඩ් එකකටයි මොනවා හරි දාද්දි 100 පාරක් හිතන්න. That so even after erasing that can be recovered. ඒක recover කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ගොඩක් කට්ටිය ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ. හරි, there are software called recover software. So one example is R Studio. So to recover that, you can use this one. So you can try this software, right? There's a software called R Studio, R-Studio. This one. Right? You can find alternative software. Make it alternative free test desk. Not that one. Rikua is again freemium. It's not free. And again, Larry utilities premium. Photorec is Disk Drill, again paid one. Disk Genius premium.
What I did was EASUES like one. Yes.
Issues.
Yeah.
Issues. Yes, that is another one. This one is free one, no? Lace of recovery suit. This is free one. Yeah. Free personal usage. But this is to delete like partitions, clones and backups, not to recover the photos. Most of the recover softwares are. So ECUs is another one. ECUS is another one, data recovery. Again, giving the same set of. Right. So Photorec is the only ones giving free one, I think. Others, Strays, this one, Kick as undelete. This is for Windows. This is a free one. Free fully features 5 recovery tool. This seems good. KU. Right? You can try this one. This is free. So always try for free software. That is okay, but don't try to track the software, right? Don't try to track the software. That is not really good. That is unethical. And you have to take a risk when you're doing that. Okay. So ඒ වගේ දැන් මම පෙන්නවා වගේ tool එකක් download කරලා what you can do is you can try to recover old pen drive. Maybe get a pen drive from, maybe you can find pen drive from your mother or father or your brother or sister. get all pen drive and recover and see. If pen drive is 8 GB, you will be able to recover like more than 8 GB of data. So sometimes you will be able to recover 15 or 16 GB of data through that pen drive. Just give a try. Right? Maybe you can find all deleted files from that pen drive. All deleted movies.
Yes, I recovered all.
You recovered all, right? Have you found very old documents?
Yes, sir. Very old documents.
That's the thing. You can just try, right? Okay, so recovery, that's why you have to know these things, Pute. Otherwise, you are in trouble. You think that after deleting, now it's gone. No, it's not gone. Can be recovered. Right? So 90% of the data, I think nowadays it's up to 90% of the data recoverable. The deleted data you can, so that's why, so most of the investigators, criminal investigators, they are using these techniques. When something happen, when you delete something, right? When you delete something, it's possible to get that back. Even SMSs and all.
Sir, that Requa one is it free?
No, it's not free. Require also freemium. Freemium is half free, half paid. Okay, so then noises. Noises can be there from hard disk fans, power leakages, speakers, microphone, likewise. So if you hear noises, the causes can be, what are the causes? Connectivity issues can be there, or can be dust, due to dust and pollen. Any other reason? Dust and pollen. Too old. Then those are again giving noises. And
Malfunctioning hard disks.
yes, maybe malfunctioning. Malfunctioning means everything, right?
I mean the hard disk that the actuator being touched.
Yeah,
Not
malfunctioning may be due to falling down. Those are the possibilities. So noises you can try to clean from the outside, reconnect. Some you can actually, so best thing is this is a warning sign. Warning, so better keep backups of your data now, because it's going to, so it's a sign, it's a warning sign indicating that
of the hard drive, tracking of the hard drive.
yes, in near future your hard drive can be burned. Therefore what you can do is, right, so better to keep backups of your data, especially when this is coming from hard disk. Right, so always check the power line noises and all. So maybe you can check the connectivity. Okay, software not licensed, illegal. Or mistakes. Illegal copies or mistakes. You have to license or purchase license and register. So that is the solution. Purchase license and register. Viruses. Yes, viruses can be due to suspicious links, illegal copies of software tracks. You're using tracks. Tracks means illegal copies. So how to get illegal copies using tracks? Can be due to torrent download. So if you don't know anything, please ask, right? Then I can explain.
So what is torrent?
That's what I was expecting this. That's why I asked. Right? Torrent means you can just share the files downloaded by the others. For an example, if you want to download a movie which is already downloaded by some other people in the world, you can use torrent, right? So there's a
So
software.
how to find them? That uTorrent.
There's a software called uTorrent. You can just download uTorrent. Right here, you can go to the download
So
uTorrent.
that means it's not good.
Sorry?
I had a channel about uterine.
Ah.
So that means it's not good.
No, I cannot say it's not good, but no verification.
It's illegal, no, sir?
It's not illegal too, right? Torrents are not illegal. So because these torrents are used for some illegal purposes. That's the thing. Because Linux versions are basically given as torrents. Linux software.
Sir, I am torrenting. I download movies from IDS. So is it illegal?
Downloading movies is illegal. That is the usage. The torrent is not illegal, but usage is the illegal thing.
So, sir, what's the meaning of then torrent and usage? What's the difference?
So yes, there are benefits, right? For an example, you can see Linux download. You can say torrent. So when you have, right? So this utorrent.com alternative downloads likewise. So some software, they will provide the torrent. Torrent means a special file, right? Here, torrent means special file. When you get that file, for an example, let me get this file. I'm going to get the torrent file. Okay, it will download this torrent file. Then I can open that using a torrent application. I'm not using uTorrent. I'm using some other torrent, right? I'm using here, I'm using which one?
So they're saying I can't download the app now.
Which one?
Torrent.
Because you don't have app to open that. Have you downloaded uTorrent?
Yes, sir.
Already downloaded. Have you installed it?
No, sir. I can't download it.
What it's saying? What it says?
It won't support the.
So it's the version not support. That is the thing. Is it? I think the version not support. That's the thing. Okay, you can see this one. When I download, it lists this. You can see the now torrent is there. The advantage of this, I'm going to stop this now, right? Let me stop this, stop the task. Otherwise, it continue to download. Advantage is even you turn off your computer. Computer එක turn off කරත් එතන ඉඳන් ඊළඟ වෙලාවේ on කරාම download එක continue වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි advantage එක. හරිද? ඔයාගේ connectivity එක නැති වුණත් ඊළඟට connection ආවම download එක start වෙනවා. හරි අපිට නිකන් නැත්නම් අපිට computer එක restart කරන්න උනත් පුළුවන් shut down කරන්න උනත් පුළුවන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. file එක කෑල්ලෙන් කෑල්ල ඇවිල්ලා අර torrent එක එකතු වෙනවා. අනිත් එක so there are seeders. Seeders means මේ file එක ගත්ත කට්ටිය කලින්. ඒ ගත්ත කට්ටියට පුළුවන් අපිට මේ file එක දෙන්න share කරන්න. ඒක තමයි advantage.
Sir, how to see another torrenting?
Means
Someone else torrenting?
you can see the seeders list. Seeders list එක බලන්න. එතකොට පෙන්නනවා torrent වෙනවා කියලා. තව කවුරු torrent කරනවා ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ IP address all these are shown.
Where, sir?
in the seeders list. In uTorrents, there's something called seeders list. I'm not sure whether it's there in this version, the version that you are using, but it's possible to see the
Sir, I
seeders.
am using uTorrent web.
Web one, I have not used that. Just give a try. So there's somewhere you can just find the seeders list. Okay, so anyway, torrent වලින් ඔයගලන්ට දැන් ගොඩක්ම ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරන වැඩේ මොකක්ද? Films නේ. ඒකත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right here, movie download. You can use torrents. Right. So there are here yts.mx. So this website is possible for torrents. Jiffy movies, YIFY. This is popular site for torrent. You can download the torrent file and open it. මේ torrent file එක open කරාම torrent file එක කියන්නේ link එකක් වගේ. ඒ link එක open කරාම ඒ අදාළ movie එක අරගෙන කලින් තියාගෙන ඉන්න කට්ටියගෙන් ඔයාට ඒ movie එක seed වෙනවා. ඒ movie එක automatically ඔයාටත් ඒ හැමෝගෙම කෑල්ල කෑල්ල කොටස ඇවිල්ලා ඔයාගේ computer එකට අර full movie එක download වෙනවා. එතකොට වෙනම තනි ෆයිල් එකක් විදිහට ඔයා ගන්න ඕන නැහැ. අනිත් එක එහෙම දෙන්නෙත් නැහැනේ කවුරුත් ෆිල්ම්ස් ෆ්‍රී දෙන්නේ නැහැනේ නේද? ගොඩක් අය ෆ්‍රී දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ටොරන්ට් වලින් ගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි ඒක ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඒ මූවි එක ඩිස්ට්‍රිබියුෂන් වලට දාලා නැත්නම් ඒක ඉල්ලීගල්. සමහර මූවිස් ඩොකියුමන්ටරිස් දීලා තියෙනවා පබ්ලික් ඩිස්ට්‍රිබියුෂන් ඕකේ කියලා. ඒව කපන්න නැහැ. හැබැයි පබ්ලික් ඩිස්ට්‍රිබියුෂන් ඕකේ නැති මූවිස් ගන්න එක නම් ඉල්ලීගල් තමයි. But most of the people are doing that. Right? හරි ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේක කරන විදිය මම දැන් torrent එකකින් download කරන විදිය වෙනම දවසක කියලා දෙන්නම්. It's not today. I'll explain that another day, right? How to download something using torrent. The step-by-step guidance to download something using a torrent. So those who can, anyway, so you have channel, no? So Litum? Mesat, I think, yeah, Mesat, you have a channel. So you can share the channel link with the others. So I think he has, yeah, he has, now you can share it to the chat. So he has all the instructions in his channel.
Okay.
Right? About the torrent downloads and all. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Next day, we have to finish the chapter. We have very few to discuss. After that, this troubleshooting.
Can you send the rest of the note? I mean, the things you wrote.
Okay, sure. I'll send. Right. Okay. Then with that, I'm going to stop for today. Then good night. See you all in the next day, right? Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye.